We are following an ongoing cold case murder trial out of Athens, Clark County. It's underway right now in Clark County Superior Court. If you've been with us for the last hour, you have seen us taking live looks into the courtroom. The live feed is now down. That is not uncommon. The live feed has been instructed to go down when the court is in recess. But let's get you up to speed on what this case and who this case is about. This is a cold case. Tara Baker is a 23-year-old UGA law student who was found dead in 2001. Authorities have now accused Edrick Faust of committing the murder. Faust has pleaded not guilty. Now, his trial in this murder case, scheduled to start today, it was delayed by a few hours this morning. Opening statements were backed up because several jurors did not show up this morning. That's according to Law and Crime Network, who is serving as the pool video camera in this trial. A note from them today said things got off to a delayed start because of a few jurors. Opening statements did begin around lunchtime today. We continue to monitor that live feed. Like we said, the live feed is currently down because court is likely in recess. But we want to take you now to some comments made earlier today inside that Clark County Superior Court.
And so again, with all this investigation going on and no leads being developed, the case goes cold. Something happened that changed all of that in 2023. Something called the Coleman-Baker Act was signed into law by Governor Brian Kemp. In case you hadn't figured out, the Baker part of that act is named after Tara. This is a law designed to address cases exactly like this one, where all leads have been exhausted and no likely perpetrator has been identified. What the law does is it directs new eyes to be placed on the file, to see if all appropriate forensic testing and analysis was done in the first instance, or if additional testing might produce evidence or information relevant to the investigation. And so at this point, enter into our story Agents Liz Bigham and Jeremy Howell with the Georgia Bureau of Investigation. Agent Bigham, Agent Howell are longtime agents with the GBI, and they joined that cold case unit after the law was enacted. In December of 23, they started looking at this case. And one of the first things they did was a dogged re-examination of all the physical evidence in Tara's case.
So you just heard from inside the Clark County Superior Courthouse remarks made just a few hours ago, if that, from the opening statements, the beginning of this cold case murder trial, the case in the killing of Tara Baker, again, a 23-year-old University of Georgia law student who was killed in 2001. Authorities have accused Edrick Faust of that crime. He's pleaded not guilty. His trial, as you just saw, it's underway right now. Opening statements have begun. It's expected, we are told, all in, the trial could take several weeks. We will continue to monitor, as we have all day long right here on 11 Alive Plus, us on the Plus app, on streaming, 11 Alive News, on television, our website. The whole team is tracking this case, and will continue to do so for as long as it takes over these next few weeks to track the outcome in this case, more than 25 years following the death of that 23-year-old UGA law student, Tara Baker.